Vince McMahon, his daughter, the Chief Brand Officer, Stephanie McMahon.
Weighing in at 175 pounds, Rey Mysterio!
A huge victory Sunday night for Rey Mysterio over CM Punk at Over the Limit. Rey Mysterio.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, and it is for the WWE Championship. Approaching the ring, the challenger from West Newbury, Massachusetts, weighing in at 248 pounds, John Cena!
John Cena's new single is entitled The Time Is Now. Perhaps the time is now for the #1 contender. This is the first time Taz in a month that...
He has been called the Reaper of Souls, the Master of Pain, the Judge and the Jury. The Undertaker is back on Friday Night SmackDown. May be a problem for the Phenom.
There's no doubt that Rey will try to be evasive and elusive.
You'll notice that the Undertaker comes straight forward, whereas other superstars will dance around. Undertaker comes right at you.
What kind of Undertaker do you think we'll see tonight? Will it be the same Taker?
Well, every time the Undertaker goes away, he always comes back with something new. What that'll be. You know, it's almost like the Undertaker kind of removes himself from the kingdom, but is always watching. His presence is always felt.
The last time we saw the Undertaker was at WrestleMania when he ended the career of Shawn Michaels.
Oh, and there's the quickness of Rey Mysterio.
There are few superstars, if any, as quick as Rey Mysterio. He'll have to use that tonight. He's just gotten the Undertaker.
Presumably Cena and Kurt Angle's team is Kurt Angle, Hardcore Holly, and the APA.
Yeah, I know that, so why are you telling me?
Information. John Cena doing the right thing in this matchup. He's wearing Mysterio down, not allowing Mysterio to get that high pace, that high-flying offense going.
Yeah, which is not the style of the doctor of thugonomics, John Cena. Mysterio and Cena clashing styles, but the speed advantage goes to Rey, obviously.
Cena bounces off the turnbuckle. Rey Mysterio looking to gain some momentum. Mysterio trying to head to the top rope, cut off by John Cena. And Mysterio is in trouble here.
Got caught here, delayed vertical suplex by John Cena.
Blood rushing to the head of Rey Mysterio.
Cena's a strong dude, you can't see me while he's holding the man.
Authority. Cena into the cup, shoulders down. There's two in Mysterio again.
Well, the object with a delayed vertical suplex is to get, like you said, get all that blood rushing to your opponent's head. You nail the impact of that suplex, hopefully you can get a quick 3 count on it, but it didn't work with Rey here. Rear naked choke right here by John Cena, or rear chin lock, whatever you'd like to call it, controlling Rey's head.
John Cena again has grounded the high-flying cruiserweight, Rey Mysterio.
You know, you control a man's head, you control the body. The head follows the body. Look at any horse or cow, any farm animal, you'd know that, Cole.
Any person as well.
Well, yeah, I don't have a horse, though. You guys do.
John Cena with those clubbing blows to the back of Mysterio. Irish whip across the room. No, and an elbow to the face of Cena from Rey Mysterio. Oh, and what a shot to the head. Got some offense here. Ducks underneath the right hand.
We got caught.
Well, he did get caught for a moment. The counter into a bulldog. Mysterio crawls into the cover. Shoulders down. There's one. There's two. But Mysterio did not have enough to finish off John Cena.
And see, Rey Mysterio is just so unique. His offense is so unique. He's always one move away from turning the match towards his own side. You know, Rey Mysterio just got a wicked, crazy offense.
Both men up to their feet. Cena misses right hand. Mysterio taking out Cena at the knee. Bring John Cena to his size. Mysterio crossbody, lateral press, got him. No, Cena just kicked out.
That springboard into that crossbody. Cena kicking out with authority, and right there met with a shoulder to the gut. Springboard.
That's Cena off the top rope. Shoulders down. Cena kicks out. And here comes Mysterio. Wow. He just got turned upside down by John Cena. What a clothesline.
Cena might have tweaked his knee a little bit there. You seen John flexing his knee a little there.
Have to see if that affects Cena here. Oh, look out. Rey Mysterio in all kinds of trouble, bounced off the top rope.
Right across the throat. Here comes John out. Inadvertently got hit there, referee Brian Hebner.
But Rey Mysterio.
Oh, here we go, Cole. Is that springboard? Oh, got caught. Oh!
That was a low blow, I believe. Cena hit Mysterio low.
And Cena, of course, the largest athlete in the world, the Big Show, with his big, heavy right hand.
Cover here from The Undertaker.
Not only a cover, it was a cover out of a key lock.
He's been faced off at the Royal Rumble in a classic confrontation, a match that Rey Mysterio more than held his own, almost defeated The Undertaker for the world title. But it was not to be on that night. Can Mysterio pull off the upset here? How about the power? Oh. About a 9-foot drop right on the injured back for Mysterio and a 2. How does Mysterio find a way to turn the tables here? It's been complete and utter domination.
Well, that's been the question that everyone asks all throughout Rey Mysterio's career. It's heart, it's desire, it's the heart of a champion you can never underestimate.
And Mysterio never backs down. He was actually looking forward to this contest, believes in himself. Look at the Undertaker's strength. Got Rey Mysterio back up on his shoulders. But it may backfire. Undertaker into the corner, and now Mysterio trying to up the tempo. Oh! He's doing it. And Mysterio going for his first cover of the match, and a 2. It's going to take more than that to put out the dead man. Mysterio knows it. Oh, and a sit-up.
Oh, great counter by Mysterio. Cover here.
Mysterio wasn't intimidated.
That's a great point. Normally, The Undertaker thrives off intimidation, but if Rey is not afraid, does that neutralize The Undertaker's presence?
Mysterio didn't hesitate, didn't miss a beat, and nearly got the victory.
Well, Rey Mysterio gave John Cena all he could handle here tonight.
What the hell?
There's the Big Show.
And there's our new general manager, Paul Heyman.
And the rest of Team Lesnar. Matt Morgan, Nathan Jones, Brock Lesnar, the Big Show. 4 of the 5 men who will be on Team Lesnar come Survivor Series.
Big Show, the U.S. champion, and Brock Lesnar, the WWE champion, leading Team Lesnar. Paul Heyman.
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me, my time is now. In case you forgot or fell off, I'm still hot, knock your shell off. My money stacked fat, plus I can't turn the swell off. The franchise doing big business, I live this, it's automatic. I win this, so you hear those horns, you finish. A soldier, and I stay under you fighting. Plus I'm storming on you chumps like I'm thunder and lightning. Ain't no way you breaking me, kid, I'm harder than nails. Plus I keep it on lock like I'm part of the jail. I'm slaughtering stale competition. I got the whole block wishing they could run with my division, but they gone fishing with no bait. Kid, your boy hold weight. I got my soul straight. I brush your mouth like Colgate. In any weather, I'm never better. Your boy so